Hey everyone, it's Paola with WTI, and this right here is our new favorite tool in the kitchen. This is a burger press, but I have been using it for much more than just burgers. I have been using it for quesadillas, for burritos. This is perfect for grilled cheese. This right here is nice and heavy. Right here, as you can see, it has the lines that are going to make the grill marks. So we're about to make some smash burgers today. So you're gonna wanna make sure you push the metal as close to the other metal as you can. And one of my favorite features is a silicone handle. It makes it so much easier to move it around. Other burger presses do not have that, so this was a big feature for me. And it's made out of cast iron, so this is going to last you a really, really long time if you give it the proper care. To clean it, you're gonna wanna use a brush, no soap. It's very important. And after that, make sure that it's very dry before putting it away. If you need to re-season it, I recommend spraying it with cooking oil and heating it on a pan. So if you have been trying to upgrade your grilling game or just get that smash burger at home, this is the way to do it. You definitely need a burger press. A spatula is not gonna get the same result, but that's just my point of view.